replenishment flow can help you remind customers that a purchase is due. This applies to products like nutraceuticals, supplements, and personal care products. You can set up a replenishment flow extremely easily using the placed order event from your workspace's Shopify filters on Moda. Creating a flow for a specific product? Add a trigger filter to limit the flow only to customers who bought that specific product. You'll also want to make sure that customers who buy something after entering this flow once are removed from it. You do not want customers who have acted upon your emails to receive the same messaging over and over again. The pre-built replenishment flow has a flow filter that checks to make sure that customers haven't bought a product since entering the flow. This is done before each email is sent out. Make sure that this flow filter is turned on. What makes your flow a true winner is the timing. For example, if you're selling a personal care product that lasts approximately 30 days, send out a reminder on the 25th or the 28th day, depending on your delivery timelines. Let us know what other flows you'd like us to go over in the comments below. Happy selling!